I'm in front of BRT Courier Service Office. So I have taken the box. So I have got the parcel. I will open it when I'm at home. I will show you. But now the parcel is here. So after that I will show you what I got, and then we'll go for the. Today I will show you the next step as well with this video. Okay, so let's wait what's inside. When I will be at home, I'll open it and I will show you. Thank you. Okay, so this is what I have got in this packet, in this parcel. In a big box, they have sent me only the helmet. I didn't get the power bank and the other accessories I should have got. So I don't know why did they do it like that. Maybe because I didn't pay any money for the bag, which is why. So anyways, we have got this helmet. We're gonna use it when we'll be working, so I don't know if I am going to use it or not, but okay, no problem. We have got the helmet. Whoever applied for the kit, maybe you have received a packet like that. Okay, so let's go for the next step, what we can do today. Okay, because we have received the parcel, so we are going to do the next. Let's see. Okay, so now you can see that I have logged into my email address, and here I have got two email. One is at 8:26 and the another one is 8:27. Basically, when I have received my kit, they already know that when I have got it. So they have sent me another mail like this. This is mail. This Globoroma Escaricala app. Escaricala app chao maun click on the sultasto. Okay, here there is a link. If I click the link, I can download the application, and then I can just log in and start working with Glovo. So just to let you know that this email I have password, so I'm not going to show you the password, but for everyone who asked me where can I get the password, you can see that you have got the mail with your password. Now I am clicking this link just to show you the password. Okay, you're not gonna see my password, but okay, in this mail they have sent me password. I'm opening it. So here you can see that ciao mamun. Okay, this one, click on the sultasto. Okay, escarica di installa la versione corretta in versione. Okay, so after this message they're saying that welcome mamun. Then okay, clicking the link below, you can see this link here. You can download the application, and after that you have your username is your email address, and the lato password. This is the password they have given me. So first of all, what I have to do is I have to click this link and I have to download this one. I have to do it from my mobile phone, so I'll show you also that one. So I'll be installing this Glovo app application, and after that I will use this username and this password. Okay, and I can log in, and then I'm just going to show you that after login what can I see inside. Okay, so we are very close to the end, as I have told you. So you can click on I'm going back to inbox, and you can see the other options here. You can see Glovo TDM benvenuto su Glovo. This is just welcome message. So here you can just install Escaricala app. So when you download the application, you can select your hours when you wish to work, and then attiva l'autosegnalazione, that is automatic order option, and then file check-in in 25 minutes before. So whenever you wish to start work, you have to log in 25 minutes before. So okay, let's go to the application first, then I will show you how it works. Okay, so I'm going to log in from my mobile phone, and you will see. Okay, so here you can see that I am inside I have downloaded the Glovo application from that link, and now after downloading the application, so I'm going to search this like that. You see Glovo Couriers. I'm entering to Glovo Couriers application, and here I have to write my email address and the password they have sent to me. So the email address, I'm going to write the email address and the password, and then later maybe I have to change the password. So I'm writing my email address and writing the password. I think this is a universal password they are going to send to everyone. So you can see it should be like that. Glovo, I think. So Glovo. So I think this is going to be the password for everyone at the beginning. After that, you have to just click on login. Okay, then they are requesting you to change the password because they have sent you one universal password. Here you have to put your own password. So I'm clicking on change password and I'm writing one password which I may remember. Okay, so first of all I have to put the password they sent to me. So I'm typing this password, that's Glovo1234, that by default password. And then I have to click on I have to put my new password. So I'm writing like so. Okay, so I have choose one password. The password should be at least 8 characters. Now clicking on save. Okay, I've saved my password. I'm writing the password somewhere so that I don't forget. One moment. Okay, so here this is the Glovo application. I'm inside. So luckily, finally, in front of all of you, I have done the application process and I have come to the end. Here you can see like I am already a Glovo rider, and here I can just start work with one click. So on the first option you can see that here it's written order list and then active map. Okay, so this is the Glovo map. I'm in Room City, so this is the Room City map here, and order list on left side you can see. Okay, there is the message missing permissions, please click here. So let's click on that. So enable push notification, so you have to active the push notification options in your mobile phone. So I'll just you see notification off, so I'll allow this one and then I'll go back there. Okay, you see this message is not anymore. Okay, so they are giving me some basic training. So Avanti, ore disponibili, like the hours. So these things I already know, so I'm going to you gonna read this message. I'm going to show you directly from here. Okay, so order list, when you have some order you will see the order list here and the daily earnings. Okay, so on the left side is order and the cash balance, the money you have on your hand, like whenever you have done some delivery, the how much you have earned, the total balance, cash balance, you can see here how much you paid from your pocket and how much you got from clients. Okay, everything. And then you can see that reports, so click on reports. That's the reports because you'll see your earning reports here as soon as they are ready. So whenever you start earning, you'll see for every order how much you have earned. Okay, and then bottom side you can see in the middle there's calendar. So this is the calendar. You can see there is there are some options with the hour. Now it's 23:51 in Italy. So I have got one slots like from 23. If I earn, you see there is the multiply by 1.20. Okay, so whatever you have earned here, it will be multiply by 1.20 cents. So that means 20 cents for each euro you will get extra. For example, you have earned 5 euro, so instead of getting 5 euro you will get 6 euro, because for each 1 euro you will get 20 cent extra in this hour, because they need some more people at the moment. Okay, that is why this icon is like that, the yellow one bottom sided corner. Okay, so here you can see we are on Wednesday here, and then after Wednesday the Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, like this week schedule I have here. So if you want to select this 23 hour, this one, this is locked. You can see like I cannot cancel this one because it's for the canceling slots. If I go to Saturday and if I click, if I see that's from 1930, I've select this slot and it becomes green. Okay, and I have select these slots. Okay, so I can work from 1930, that means from 7:30 evening to 21:30, that means 9:30 night. Okay, so same thing here, Sunday you can see here they have only available slot is 19:30, so I'm going to select this one as well. So the green one is blocked for me. Okay, already booked. So this is the booking process. Here you can see Friday I don't have any slot, Thursday I don't have any slot, but Wednesday I had one slot here at 23, but this is already gone because the time is over. It's about 23:53 now, so for 7 minutes 10 minutes they don't need a courier obviously. Okay, so now I'm going to click on Thursday, Friday. If I have any slots here, I'll just refresh it like that, and then I'll see if there are any more slots open, because many people may can choose not to work in selected hours. On that case, you will get that hour in your account and you can choose that. Okay, you see Thursday I have one availability, so I'm going to select it. Oh no, I couldn't do that. Okay, you see at Thursday at 12, so 12 is tonight. I'm not going to work today, so I'm not going to select this one. But if I select, I can earn 125 extra. That means for every €1 I'll get 25 cents more for every €1. So if I have earned €10 in this hour, I'll get, instead of 10 by multiply by 125, it comes about €1.25 extra. Okay, so if I earn €10, so this is it. And here you can see that Saturday you have the option like this one. Okay, this okay, so here I can do one thing. If I do not wish to work, still I have time because it's not locked, so I can unlock this one. You can see unbook these slots. Click on unbook, and then you can just unbook your slot because you do not want to work. Okay, so here unbook. So same thing here, Sunday, if you do not want to work, you can unbook. So this is the way to book your time. Okay, so you can see this and you can just refresh when you have time, like you want some more hours, so you can refresh and you can see if they have any more availability. When they have availability, you'll see this yellow and red dot. Okay, to book your slot. Okay, so here if you go to challenge, like when you create when you make more orders, so they are showing you the challenges, like how much faster you are working, like the but stay tuned, new challenges might be just around the corner. Okay, so if there is any challenge, you can see that if you reach the challenge, maybe you get some bonus, or you can earn some extra bucks. Okay, so profile. Here in the profile you can see, I'm not going to show you the face of the person, but here you will see your face, and then bottom side you can see your excellency score and the auto accept order. The auto accept order must be active, otherwise you won't get new order. And you see the navigation app, and here you can see personal information. If you have any doubt, you can go to courier service, or you can contact support. Here whenever you do not need to be stay login, you can log out, but well, you can keep it logged in, that's not a problem. So this was and this is the active map. Like this map is for me, like I have done the registration for Rome City, so I can see the Rome City map here. You can see your city. So here this is the main thing. We are inside the Glovo application, and we have successfully completed all the steps, and now we become a Glovo rider. So just follow all my videos, and then follow all the steps one by one. You continue. I hope you will also get success like me, because I have started this account. I have done everything in front of you. From November 6th I have started working on this. So after November 6th, today is 17th November, so maybe so it's about 11 days. In 11 days I have completed all the steps. Within 11 days I became a Glovo rider, so it's not difficult. I have done everything in front of you, so you should not have any confusion. Still, if you have any confusion, if you need any suggestion, any question, you make comments and I will reply you whenever I get notification. Okay, so before I was very sick, so I couldn't upload many videos, but now I'm back. I have uploaded some videos. Glovo is completely done. There are no more doubts about Glovo, because I have completed one registration process and one account, live account in front of you. Okay, and you can see that I can book here, and I can just book and unbook any slots, and I can show you the application. So if I wish to start work with this account, I can do this. So yeah, okay, we are done. So now if you have any doubt, any more question, please comment below, subscribe my channel, share this video, and obviously you use the referral link I have in the description of this video. Okay, use my referral link so that I can see who are registering. Maybe it may helps you. I don't know if they help from referral code, but I don't think so. But you can use the referral code to start application. Okay, so thank you so much for watching my videos. Thanks a lot.